Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip. To enter the one-time boot menu on your laptop, you're gonna have to power it off completely and then turn it on by short pressing the power button, and after short pressing the power button, start repeatedly, click escape until you see the startup menu on your device's screen. So let's keep clicking it, and once you see the startup menu, as you can see right here, in order to enter the boot menu, press F9, wait for the boot menu to appear on your screen, and in the boot menu you will see several, most probably, options which you may want to use to boot your device with. So choose the one that you prefer. So the first one is the Windows, basically. The second one is the USB that I have plugged into this laptop, and the third one is booting from the UEFI file. It will not do anything since I don't have it. To select an option, press Enter. To exit, press Escape, and press F10 to go to BIOS. To exit BIOS, press Escape and Enter. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.